Hi lovely people, welcome once again to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to teach you how you can use less data on Telegram without wasting your data on Telegram. Yeah, use less data, not much data that you're supposed to use over there. So let's open our account here. You go to the upper left corner, the menu symbol there, you tap on it and you go to settings, and after that you go to data and storage under auto media download or automatic media download. Here, this is what you are supposed to do when using mobile. The first option, when using mobile data, you turn it off, you disable it, and that's what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to use less data, because here when you turn it off, it means that it will not allow Telegram to automatically download videos or download pictures or photos or load anything that you haven't allowed it to do. So anytime you open your account, it wouldn't download anything automatically, meaning it will wait for you to tap on it before it start downloading. And I think this is going to save a lot of data for you, because there are a lot of things that you don't want to download, but the system will download it for you automatically. So doing this or doing these settings will allow you to save some amount of data on Telegram. So this is how you set, or this is how you use low amount of data on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, as well share the video, and whatever comment, whatever question you have, leave it at the comment section below. I will do justice to it for you. Thank you for watching once again. Until we meet again, bye bye.